That's brilliant.
Yeah, we'll see what delights we've got this week.
That is just one. Am I allowed to peep, actually?
Yeah. Right. Yeah, there. This week's box. Fantastic. Right.
Oh my goodness me, I'm going to enjoy this one then.
I knew you would.
I really enjoy it, yeah. It's I never know what's coming.
I think the idea is a brilliant idea. I really do.
Oh. Ooh. Oh.
Today we've been delivering Doorstep discovery boxes to local residents of North Herts who are living with dementia and their carers, many who have been shielding for most of the last year.
I deliver to Stevenage and also areas outside of Stevenage.
We've been delivering workshop boxes, each one focused around an artefact. The artefacts have come from North Herts and Stevenage Museum's collection.
And then I've been choosing ones that I think are quite interesting, looking at those images and thinking, how can I then make this into an art activity?
So the artefacts have been a key part of the boxes because they're the starting point, they're the springboard for the activity that then follows.
I think it's a really brilliant project, I have to say. It's one of the nicest community projects I think we've probably done.
Well, for us, it's been a really lovely project to be involved in because the artists have put all the effort in. So really, we've just been supporting them in doing their work. But it's a great way for our collections to get out and be used in a really positive way.
When we were first in lockdown, it was obvious I'd need more indoor things. But really, you know, what? And then along came the boxes, the art boxes. They were sent from heaven. And I can remember saying to Christina, it was like Christmas every week because you never knew what was in it.
I must admit, it's been a lifeline over the last year, particularly so. It's been a godsend, I have to say. Really has.
It's given me something to do away from sharing. It's a support to me, really, because it's something that I can focus on to just switch off for a few minutes, but still be in her presence, doing some art.
One of the most important things is to be able to step right away from it, totally, and being able to absorb yourself in something and create something gives you a lovely sense of well-being. Yeah, very good, very, very much supportive.
You know I suffer with anxiety and depression, so it's given me something to focus on and do than just sitting here.
It's really nice having something challenging to do, you know, that you haven't thought up for yourself.
Well, we look forward to your visits every week and see what you have in store for us. Look forward to new challenges.
And a chat on the doorstep and then to actually open the box and see what the project is for the week.
Having a structure to the week and having a box arrive with a new project and something she can look forward to and we can sit around and discuss and play with the bits and bobs that come in has been incredible.
I'm absolutely over the moon.
Well, it was so varied. I mean, it was ever so varied.
And I feel good inside me.
Yeah. So from this point of view, we've sat for at least an hour, haven't we?
Yes.
And had a different conversation.
You know, it's created humour, and so it's the conversation that follows from it all. Yeah. It's not just what you're doing at the time and doing that, sitting down for a few hours to do that artwork in itself. It's conversations that then follow on from that.
It's absolutely brilliant. It's my life continuing.
I never know what's going to be inside it, but it's always good fun. Whatever it is, it's always a challenge, and it stretches you in different ways. So you're not always doing the same sort of thing every time. So it's really good.
If you like doing a little bit of art or something like that, it is so good and so helpful. And on a weekly basis, it's changing all the time, isn't it?
It's just so successful and just lovely for us museum staff seeing during COVID when nobody can come, nobody's been able to come to the museum, but actually seeing people looking at images of the objects and then using them to spark off their own creativity has been fantastic.
It's one of those wonderful projects where it's very little effort in and a really lovely end product out, because all the effort has come from Angie and Christina. It's been a dream project.
It's incredible, actually. I mean, I am truly, truly inspired. You know, I do go away and I do go home and I do think about the conversations I've had and the artwork that I've seen, and I'm so glad that I've been part of it. It's just amazing, actually, and they are amazing. They are incredible. They are so talented.
Here's one I did earlier.
But you can
Accordion.
see we've had a lot of laughter.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, every week we have, don't we?
Oh, it's always a laugh, yeah, but
Yeah.
I can't send, but I'm looking. Wah, 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 wah.
Just
Yeah,
turn
I
it
can't-
round so we can
Turn
see.
it round.
Oh, sorry.
Tony. That you could
Do,
try.
do, 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 do.